What is the latest that we know? We know the president had promised to announce a pick as early as tomorrow. Will it be Amy Coney Barrett?
Yeah, sources are telling us that she is expected to be the pick tomorrow, that the president has been telling associates that she is the pick. So I think, the president is someone who obviously changes his mind from time to time, and that could happen between now and Saturday at 5 p.m. when the announcement is expected. But all indications right now is that Amy Coney Barrett will be his Supreme Court nominee.
Tell us a little bit more about Judge Barrett. Obviously, this is going to kick off a huge partisan battle. One of the very specific issues, of course, Roe versus Wade, has a lot of people incredibly concerned, especially on the left. What is it that stands out about her record to you?
Yeah, I think there's a number of things. She's a favorite of social conservatives. She is a staunch opponent of abortions. That's something that the president and the White House think can excite the president's base heading into the election. The president wants to cement a conservative majority on the court. He's actually been upset with some of the rulings from his Justice Neil Gorsuch, who he named in 2017. So he wants someone who's going to be a rock-solid conservative.
Right. Some of the justices, also Justice Roberts, has made some rulings contrary to what the president might have wanted. And I just want to say that officially, Bloomberg News is reporting that President Trump plans to name Amy Coney Barrett to replace Justice Ginsburg on the Supreme Court. Jordan, this could significantly, likely will significantly alter the court for a generation to come. I mean, Judge Barrett is a very young woman, one of the youngest justices ever to serve potentially on the Supreme Court. Talk to us about the process and what happens now. We believe that President Trump will try to force the Senate to confirm Judge Barrett before Election Day, correct?
That's right. Yeah, he said this week that he wants his new justice on the court, in part so they can help sort any challenge to the election result on November 3rd. So that's sort of a stunning statement there from the president, but he has made his indications clear, and that's going to really play a factor in this presidential race. Of course, coronavirus and the faltering U.S. economy are still of top concern to voters, but we're seeing indications in polls that this might actually backfire on the president, because most voters are saying that they want the next president, the person who's elected in November, to pick that seat, not necessarily President Trump right now. And Democrats are energized by the prospect of Ruth Bader Ginsburg's seat falling into the hands of conservatives. So this, while the president believes and his allies believe this could be an asset for them, on the other hand, this could also be an asset for Joe Biden.
Well, exactly. So is it really the smartest course of action, if President Trump wants to be elected, to push this through with 6 weeks to go?
Yeah, I think that's going to be the million-dollar question, right? Is this a gamble that's going to pay off for the president? What the president's campaign team is looking at is 2016, when he put forth a list of conservative justices, and that really helped him beat Hillary Clinton. There were exit polls showing that voters who thought Supreme Court was a big concern for them, they mostly sided with Donald Trump over Hillary Clinton. This time around, it's different, though. The president has already put 2 justices on the court, and we're seeing now that liberals are the ones who are energized. They want to get in. They want to help shift the balance back toward the center or the left. And, with already having 2 justices, conservatives are a bit less energized by this issue now than they were 4 years ago.